In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an object glow in your 3D scene using Blender, a powerful tool for creating stunning visual effects. By following along with these steps, you'll be able to add that extra bit of magic to your project, bringing your scenes to life with a vibrant glow effect. So, let's dive right in. To start off, we need to set up the material properties for the object you want to make glow. Begin by selecting this object in your scene. Once you have it selected, head over to the Material Properties tab, which you'll find on the right-hand side of the interface. There, you'll want to click on the New button to add a fresh material. This is where the magic begins. Under the surface settings, you'll notice that the default shader is the Principled BSDF. We need to change this to an emission shader. This change is crucial because it allows the object to emit light rather than just reflect it. With the emission shader now in place, you have two important settings to adjust: color and strength. First, choose a color that suits the mood and theme of your scene. You can be creative here. Feel free to experiment with different hues to see what looks best. After selecting your color, you'll need to enhance the glow effect by increasing the strength value. A value of 5 or more is recommended to ensure the object adequately emits light. Remember, the higher the number, the stronger the glow. The next step involves setting up the render engine to enjoy those real-time effects like bloom, which enhance the glow effect we are creating. Make sure that your render engine is set to Eevee, as it's optimized for these types of tasks. To do this, simply go to the Render Properties tab located next to the Material Properties tab, and double-check that Eevee is selected in the Render Engine drop-down menu. Now let's enable the bloom effect itself. In the Render Properties tab, you should find a checkbox labeled Bloom. Ensure this box is checked. The bloom effect is essential because it adds a soft, glowing halo around your object, making the glow look more natural and visually appealing. Finally, to really make the glow stand out, you'll want to mitigate any interference from the background. To do that, go to the World Properties tab, again located conveniently on the right-hand side. Here, you'll see the option to change the background color. Set this to black. A black background will provide a stark contrast, allowing you to clearly see and appreciate the glow effect you've just created. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've mastered how to make an object glow in Blender. I'm confident that these techniques will add that extra layer of dynamism to your 3D creations. Thanks for watching, and happy animating!